How to stake Cartesi CTSI via MetaMask wallet. Before delegating Cartesi tokens, you need to create or import a MetaMask wallet and then add tokens to it. Go to MetaMask crypto wallet and click Download. To install the extension, click Install MetaMask for Chrome. Onward, please click Add to Chrome. To continue the process, please click Add Extension. Your MetaMask extension is installed. To make it visible, firstly click on the plugin button and finally click on the pin button. Forward, please click Get Started and choose the method that suits you best: Import wallet, restoring an existing wallet with the seed phrase, or Create wallet, creating a new wallet. Skip the next phrase by clicking I agree or No thanks. Create a strong password, confirm it, accept the terms of use and click Create. To advance, click here to reveal secret words to show the seed phrase. MetaMask requires that you store your seed phrase in a safe place. It is the only way to recover your funds if your device crashes or your browser resets. You can write it down on a piece of paper and store it safely in a place where only you have access to. However, a better solution to secure your seed phrase and passwords is to save them encrypted on a password manager and a password generator, such as LastPass app, that locks your password and personal information in a secure vault. After you safely stored your seed phrase, click Next. Insert the 12-word phrase in the correct order in which the words were presented in the previous screen and finally click Confirm. Congratulations, your MetaMask wallet has been set up successfully. How to fund your MetaMask wallet. Firstly, you must copy to clipboard your MetaMask account and then go to your Cartesi account, wallet or exchange, and set your CTSI tokens to your already copied MetaMask address. To visualize your CTSI tokens, click Import Tokens. Search for CTSI in the search bar, click on Cartesi logo and on Next button. A new window will appear. Click Import Tokens. Your CTSI account has been created successfully, and your transferred CTSI tokens are visible. Preparing the delegation process. Go to the Cartesi staking platform, use the switch button to adjust the screen brightness confirming to your preferences. Log into your account by clicking Connect to Wallet. Please be sure to select the correct network, the Ethereum mainnet. In order to delegate CTSI, you will need ETH for transaction fees and CTSI tokens for staking. The transaction fees are needed to initiate staking, unstaking and withdrawal requests for staking CTSI in the pool. Selecting a staking provider. Choose only reliable and trusted validators like Everstake, a reliable staking provider trusted by the entire blockchain community. You are free to choose any validator. Why stake with Everstake? We perfectly combine the qualities of a staking provider: profitability, trust, support and utility. For only a low commissions, we ensure profitability among the delegators, staking guides, videos, and online support. We use only high-quality servers, thanks to which we manage to achieve almost 100% uptime. Delegating CTSI tokens requires staking them through a non-custodial pool. To start the delegation process, please click Stake. Click on Edit to set an allowance. You can set a bigger allowance in order to skip future fees. Save it and confirm the transaction. After this point, you will need to add the amount of CTSI tokens you want to add to the pool by clicking on the plus button. On the pop-up window, insert the amount of tokens you want to add, click on Save and confirm the transaction. Your stake is added to the pool and has started the 6-hour maturing period. To finish the process, you will need to stake the CTSI tokens. Please click on the plus button, insert the amount you want to stake, click on Save and confirm the transaction. Your tokens are staked and ready to produce rewards. The user reward share is not directly transferred to the user wallet. Instead, it is restaked automatically by the smart contract, producing a compounding effect. Unstaking CTSI tokens. If you desire to unstake, firstly click on the minus button, then insert the amount or click on the full amount button. Once the amount is selected, click Save and finally confirm the transaction. The CTSI tokens have been unstaked and entered the pool. In order to withdraw some CTSI tokens from the pool, firstly click on the minus button, secondly enter the amount you desire to withdraw, thirdly click Save, and finally confirm the transaction. Depending on the immediate availability of the requested tokens, the user may have to wait for the pool to unstake tokens from the staking contract or not. Finally, your CTSI tokens are withdrawn. Frequently asked questions (FAQ). First, what are the user transactions cost? The user has to set an allowance, issue a deposit, create a stake order, create an unstake order, and initiate a withdrawal. For all of these requests, transaction costs must be paid by the user performing them. Second, what are the pool manager costs? The pool manager spends ETH for rebalancing the pool liquidity, which stakes unstakes from the proof of stake the CTSI needed to honor the aggregate behavior of the pool users. As the proof of stake has a 48-hour unlocking period and 6-hour maturing period, this rebalance happens at most 9 times every 2 days. 1 time due to unstaking, 8 times due to staking. The pool owner also spends ETH to produce blocks. Third, how do users get rewarded? Whenever a pool produces a block reward, a commission is cut from the reward and sent to the pool owner. The remaining rewards are split evenly throughout the whole pool. Fourth, why does a pool owner charge a commission? The pool owner has to set the commission high enough to pay for these maintenance transactions and other costs, like hardware, monitoring, personnel, etc. Plus their profit, but low enough to be competitive and maintain the users.